Hello everyone, in this video I want to tell you about Elon Musk's new cryptocurrency project powered by Grok, his most advanced neural network. Over the past week, I've been testing this trading bot with my own money. Today I'll share the real results and my honest thoughts about it. Before we continue, a quick but important disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor. Everything here is based solely on my personal experience. So what is this project? It's a crypto trading bot powered by Grok that automates trading, removes emotions and reacts to the market much faster than a human can. The bot constantly scans the market, finds promising opportunities, and copies the moves of large players with big capital. According to the creators, it can deliver up to 170% profit in just a week. They also offer responsive support and a full refund policy if something goes wrong on their side. I personally haven't needed the refund. Everything has been working smoothly without any technical issues. Now let me show you my approach. I recommend to start with the Prime tariff plan if you are a beginner. All details are on the main page. I'll leave the link in the description. First, log into your account or create a new one. You can even log in with your X account. It takes just a couple of minutes. Here's what the main dashboard looks like. It's clean and intuitive. On the left, you immediately see your total profit for the session and key statistics. Even complete beginners can figure it out quickly. Deposits and withdrawals are very fast, usually under a minute. Now let's make a deposit. I will top up in the SOL network and deposit $1,000. So I send the money. Now we are waiting. As I said, the money arrived in less than a minute. Now I click engine power to launch the bot. It takes a couple of minutes to start. While it's running, you can watch live how it automatically follows and copies winning trades of major market players. The bot analyzes the market in real time, tracks large wallets, and opens similar positions with our funds. This lets us move together with big capital instead of against it. The biggest advantage is full automation. You simply press the button and the bot does everything itself. No need to sit in front of the screen 24/7. It reacts to market changes instantly, which is almost impossible to do manually. Well, enough time has passed, so let's take a look at the bot's results for this session. As you can see, the balance has changed in a positive direction, which means the bot is currently working properly. Now I'm going to withdraw my balance to show you how the payout process looks like. I'll select the Solana network. Then enter the wallet address where I want to receive the funds. Choose the option max. After double checking the address, I confirm the operation and wait for the transaction to be completed. While the transaction is being confirmed, a few final words to close this video. If you are still interested in this topic and want to see more strategies, tests, and real-time experiments with different crypto bots, my advice is to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for new uploads. Like this video if it was helpful for you, share it with a friend who is also into crypto, and leave comments with your own results, questions, or suggestions. I always read them. So, all funds have been withdrawn, everything worked exactly as expected, and the balance on the platform is back to zero after the payout. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if the video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.